Well, hello guys. Welcome to my little first vlog of this on my new camera, on my on FOV style. Today I'm going to show you my e-bike so far that I have built. Now the first one right here I'm going to show you is this is a 1000 watt e-bike. Now you want some detail of the spec. This is a front hub motor that I put in there. This is my first build, by the way. That was back when I didn't know much about e-bike. I just say, let me just get the front one because it's much easier for me to put it together. And well, despite that I didn't know no better, it was a successful build. I got these converter kits from eBay at the time, and I took this Roadmaster bike that that I've been having for a while, that I love the ride so much, I just turned it into an e-bike. This battery right here is a 48 volt, 10 amp an hour. Well, it gives you a shorter distance, but it will get you to point A to point B easily. It's not as far as you think. So, and obviously this is a control right here where I put all the wire and I organize the wire together so it looks presentable, make it look more nice and all. And I got like a little basket right here too, so when I ride and I carry something in the back, I'm always gonna have that with me. And this is my little screen right here that does everything. Like you can change the mode, the light. I don't have a light on me, but I have another light on my motorized bike, which I'm gonna show y'all later. Oh, and also I got like a little horn right here, an alarm thing. So if somebody were to, like, let's say, be a shady driver or what, I could blow at the ass like that. And if I want to secure my bike, I enable the alarm. This is a lock one, and this is unlocked. So yeah, that's pretty much my first build so far. This does not get you that far, but it's good enough to, get you where you gotta go in a closer area. Let me present you the other one. The other one right here is my second build that I did last year. This thing is a fucking beast, let me tell you something. Okay. The difference between my first bike that I showed you and this bike right here is the bigger battery capacity. It has a 60 volt battery, and it's a 24 amp an hour, so it gets you in a good distance as far as you can. It's not as big, but it'll get you enough to where you gotta go. Travel far distance and stuff. And I was using this far driver right here. I forgot what type of far driver it is, but I bought it for like a good price from AliExpress, luckily. And then I got like a cord to convert the wire to this to be compatible with the wire on the harness of the far driver. Luckily, got it from AliExpress also. And yeah, and I tuned it with my app on the far driver as best as I can. I tuned it in an appropriate spot of it so we don't fuck it up. Let's see. Yeah, I just turned it on and off and stuff like that. But it's one of those batteries that you just turn on and off and stuff, so. So it shows you all the battery percentage and stuff, like how much you got left and everything. Like, let me zoom in for y'all. This is like how much battery got left and stuff like that. I don't know if anybody can see that, but this is what I charge so far. I always charge my bike at around 80%. And my 6 charge, I just charge it like fully, because I don't like to charge my battery 100% all the time, because that's how you're showing your lifespan of your battery. So this is my two rear view mirrors. So I had to look back, and I gotta make sure, like, you definitely need a rear view mirror on you, because drivers these days are fucking crazy. This is my phone holder, obviously. This is my light, of course. This is like your remote battery kind of on light, and I got it for the rear one as well. Like that. Yeah, that's what I did. Of course, this is my cool kickstand that I got. It's really cool. The bike that I got from a bike shop, Originally didn't have a kickstand, so I installed my own kickstand I got from like Amazon easily. And also, unlike the first bike, the hub motor is 1,500 watts. The battery is 60 volt, 24 amp an hour. So the difference is that they got disc brakes on this one. So I have a very good stopping power, especially with how fast this thing goes. And the kind of engine brake that come with the Far Driver app, yeah, you're definitely gonna need disc brakes on it. Like if anybody has like a something like a Far Driver, if you want more performance on your bike, make sure you have a disc brake on your, or a hydraulic brake at least, because trust me, you can thank me later, cause that shit go pretty fast. Now, if it was like fully charged, if I would went on the Gear 3, it will probably be about 50 plus miles. I actually counted that on my in the apps and stuff. And also, I forgot to mention the horn. Yeah, that's basically it. So, that's about the e-bike I got so far. This is like two of my e-bikes that I built so far. So maybe I might build a third one and just sell it off, and then build another e-bike and just keep it for myself. I don't know, depends. Right now, I might give myself an e-scooter too. So thank you for checking out my video, and I hope you guys have a good night. Well, and day. I'll see you later.